Welcome back to Pro Monk, your trusted source for the latest and greatest in smartphone technology. Today, we're diving into something truly futuristic, the iPhone 18 Pro Max 5G, Apple's most anticipated concept for the year 2026. This device is already creating a massive buzz across the tech world, and for good reason. If the leaks and rumors are anything to go by, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could easily become one of the most revolutionary smartphones ever made. Let's start with the design. According to multiple sources and concept creators, the iPhone 18 Pro Max will showcase a completely new approach to Apple's signature style. The body is expected to be thinner, lighter, and sleeker than anything we've seen before. Some leaks suggest Apple might finally introduce a portless design, relying entirely on wireless charging and wireless data transfer. If that turns out to be true, this will mark a major step forward in smartphone evolution. The display is also rumored to be a full edge-to-edge panel with virtually no bezels, no visible notch, and possibly even an under-display front camera, giving users a truly immersive screen experience. Now let's talk about performance. Every new iPhone generation pushes the limits, and the iPhone 18 Pro Max will likely debut with Apple's most advanced processor yet, possibly the A20 Bionic chip or beyond. This chip is rumored to be built on next-generation architecture, offering incredible speed, unmatched energy efficiency, and AI-driven optimizations. Combined with iOS advancements, the performance leap could redefine how we interact with our phones, from gaming and productivity to photography and augmented reality. Speaking of photography, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could bring the biggest camera upgrade we've ever seen on an iPhone. Some rumors suggest a quad-camera setup with advanced periscope zoom, improved low-light performance, and AI-enhanced computational photography. The possibility of an 8K video recording feature and cinematic-level stabilization has also been discussed. Imagine capturing professional-grade photos and videos directly from your smartphone. This could set a new industry standard. Connectivity is another major highlight. As the name suggests, the iPhone 18 Pro Max will be fully optimized for next-gen 5G technology.